This is a camping lantern light. There's an on and off button. I'm long pressing the button so I could dim the light down, be a little easier on the camera so you can see the light. It has a filament that is a rope with the ball bearing. And if you turn it upside down, give it a little shake, it straightens up. If you shake it again real hard, it falls down. Now, it has three other lights. Got a light inside. You take the handle and you rotate it counterclockwise and it shines upward. If you want to take a handle and put a hook on it, you can do so as well. And hang it low, so this way everything around you lights up. If you counterclockwise again, you're going to go into a spotlight. And the spotlight shines a good distance in the dark and widens out, as you can see. And then one more will give you a ambient light on the bottom, light up all around. If you are rotating all the way to the top and you want an SOS, which is a flicker, you triple press 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You just triple press it. It takes a little time to get used to it. Got to be a quick press, and there's your flicker. You press it again, it stops, and the light will be in the off position. You could turn it on again, like so. You could rotate it to the different degrees, and in any of the degrees you have, you could simply just come over here and lower it down. It comes with an instruction guide that carefully go over. It tells you about every single setting, how to use it. It's a 3600 milliamp rechargeable unit with the USB-C cable that is given, and comes in a nice white, soft, velvety cloth, light fabric. Your light comes in a number of colors. Check online for further detail. You simply plug into the back of the unit, charge, and you have an LED indicator on the front showing the glow. Takes up to 3 hours to recharge. It's quick. You're able to use your flashlight while charging. It has a hanging strap on top. It has the filament that you simply shake that drops down, and magnetic ball that will go right back up. Simple as that. With two lights on the bottom with the stylus, and two lights on top, and the SOS, which is your flicker. Made of aluminum, lightweight, easy to carry, portable, anywhere it can be used imaginable. Amazing flashlight that you can just have loads of fun and go out anywhere imaginable. Remember, it's adjustable from lowest 60 lumens up to 600 lumens, 32 plus hours of runtime on the lowest setting. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.